If you're looking for the best affiliate program for beginners, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you the exact program that not only is amazing for beginners with no experience, tech skills, or followers, but it also pays you instant 100% commissions on total autopilot. Okay, that's right. This program even gives you an automated sales funnel that's done for you that will literally follow up and convert your leads into sales, pumping commissions into whatever payment method you choose. But first off, I want to share with you some results. You can see right here that inside of my Squarespace account, okay, you see Barry Lifestyle Marketing, that's my LLC. I'm able to generate these commissions, and you can see that one transaction, one sale inside of this affiliate program, I was able to make a $900 commission paid instantly into this specific payment method. So first off, I want to share with you how this basically works and what program this is. There will be a link directly below, so at any point you can actually go ahead and get started with this. But this is the site to sign up for this program. Okay, there's really just 3 steps right here to start making 100% profits, and I'm going to break these down step by step. I've had some of my followers asking me to go a little bit deeper. Step 1 is to get started. So the first thing you need to do is purchase one of the digital products that best fit your goals and needs. I'm going to touch on that in a second. The amazing thing about this program is they give you master resale rights. This is a legal right that when you purchase one of the levels inside, you unlock that level and all the levels under it, and it's as if it's your products. So you don't have to create the products yourself. You don't have to go through the massive trial and error of trying to come up with a course or even trying to figure out the best affiliate product to actually promote. This gives you the done for you, high converting, valuable product. So once you purchase that, you get the rights to resell, giving you the 100% instant commission because people pay you directly. Step 2 is you start growing your daily business. So inside, you'll actually get access to training on exactly how to copy and paste free ads online, as well as create very simple content that will literally attract your ideal customers to you. Okay, so again, if you've ever tried to do affiliate marketing and you've been stranded, you had no guidance, this literally walks you through step by step. And I'm going to touch on some strategies to actually promote this affiliate program in just a second. And then step 3 is get paid. Again, you start earning an income online, you get paid instantly. So again, the link will be directly below. You can read over this. You can look at all the benefits, the massive testimonials. Melissa made a $600 sale. Mary made a $300 sale while she was out and about. Okay, you can read over this, but essentially scroll down and then you just want to choose one of the levels. There's 4 levels. There's a $900 level, a $600, a $300, and a $100 to join this affiliate program and get paid instant 100% commissions. Again, you have to join at the level that you want. It unlocks that level and all the levels under it. The $900 level is the most popular. And again, it's a one-time investment and that unlocks all the levels and the ability to earn up to $900 commissions. So you go ahead and do that. You click the button, you pay, and then there's just a one-time admin fee of $29. And that will actually go to the website creator so you can get access to this entire funnel, training, and things like that. Now, once you actually purchase that and you get access to the welcome email from me, okay, since you'd be joining me, this is what it looks like, okay? This is how we're gonna actually start making sales with this incredible viral affiliate program, okay? So here's how this works. Step 1 is we're going to start posting those copy-paste ads on high traffic websites, okay? And again, inside this program, they'll actually give you swipes, they'll give you all of that, as you'll see more information below at the link. And then number 2 is posting 3 pieces of content, okay? So you can choose Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, okay? Whatever platform you prefer, you wanna stick with that platform and you wanna post about 3 pieces of content per day. This is gonna build momentum and ultimately this is going to attract people to you. You're not gonna have to bother your friends and family. You're not gonna have to chase people down. They will actually beg you for your link. They teach inside that program how to post in such a way that literally gets people chasing you, which is absolutely incredible. Just real quick, you can see inside of the training of this affiliate program, they actually have, a full, TikTok training, exactly how to post TikTok videos and things like that. okay? And you can see I've actually used a lot of what's in the training to actually build a brand new TikTok profile to close to 4,000 followers. And I've made a lot of commissions with this instant paying program using TikTok and the training. You can see these videos here. I mean, this one got, 16,000 views. This one got, over 1,000. And all I'm doing on TikTok, again, just based on the actual training here, is I'm just posting about a minute-long video from my phone, telling my story, sharing a little bit about this program, and then guiding people to either comment for more information or go to the link in my bio, right? Very effective strategy. Another thing, like let's say you like Facebook, okay? So you can actually use some of the training inside. They also have how to post free ads, YouTube training, Pinterest, Instagram, okay? Going live. If you want to actually go live, you don't have to. But you can really promote this any place with social media using the training. Now, once you do that, now you're going to use the automated system that they give you. Okay, you can actually see here inside the training, they have a full module on how to automate your online business. And step by step, they walk you through setting up the different payment gateway accounts to get paid, how to import your sales page, import your capture page. So you will literally get this freedom machine, if you will, and it's going to be a capture page, a sales page. They even give you follow-up emails. And by the way, the email autoresponder and funnel software that they use is actually free. Okay, so you don't have to pay anything extra once you join. They will actually give you the ability to set up a free automated funnel that will start converting those leads. And then when they go to your sales page and they buy one of those levels through you, you get to earn 100% profit, paid instantly into whatever payment method you want. Stripe, PayPal, Cash App. You then transition it to the bank account, okay? Now, this program is called the Legacy Builder Program, okay? It's incredibly popular. So many people from around the world have been doing this. It's really life-changing. I will include, again, a link directly below. You will get taken to this page. All you have to do is put in your best email. You'll get taken to this page here once you do. And then just scroll down and again, choose a level, success loves speed. You really want to get this started because a lot of people are able to make sales within their very first week because they see the opportunity. They go to the link, they set it up, in a few hours, they have their funnel set up. They start using the simple training to attract people to you, whether they want to use TikTok, whether you want to use Facebook. I also will sometimes post on Facebook, YouTube videos. Whatever you want to do, whatever method you prefer, you're going to be able to do that. So I hope you got value. If you have any more questions, comment below. Be sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you got value, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.